Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm tackling a question that's been on many online shoppers' minds. Is Amazon doing enough to combat those pesky high prices some sellers list their products at? And what exactly is Amazon doing to keep things fair and square for us? Amazon's got a big reputation for being customer focused. Think convenience, a massive selection, and pretty competitive pricing. But let's be honest, we've all seen those moments when a product's price seems way higher than it should be. So why doesn't Amazon just show a crossed-out original price in these cases? Here's the scoop. Amazon operates as a marketplace, meaning they let a bunch of third-party sellers list their products. While Amazon loves competitive pricing, they don't directly control what each seller sets their prices at. Unless the seller pops in the MRP or discount details themselves, you won't see that strike-through price. But it's not a free-for-all. Amazon does have fair pricing policies. They're against price gouging and sketchy practices. If you spot a jacked-up price, you can report it. Amazon reviews these reports and may take action if needed. So to make smart decisions, always compare prices from different sellers, check those reviews, and look at return and delivery options. Being an informed buyer puts the power in your hands. Now let's talk about the environmental side of online shopping. Sure, it's super convenient, but it comes with costs. Packaging, waste piles up in landfills. Delivery trucks crank up carbon emissions. Returns, they double the transport impact and waste. And don't forget, running all those servers and devices eats up energy. As shoppers, we can make better choices like visiting local stores, cutting down on over-purchasing, and supporting eco-friendly sellers. Here's a pro tip. Uninstall shopping apps from your phone. Seriously, without those constant notifications and sale alerts, you'll cut down on impulse buys. You'll also clear up mental space, save some cash, and shop more intentionally. And hey, did you know shopping and fitness can go hand in hand? While online shopping might not directly affect your physical activity, walking or biking to a local store is a great way to stay active. Support your health and your local community simultaneously. So here's my final thought. Amazon offers unmatched convenience, but it's on us to shop mindfully. Stay alert to pricing practices, make sustainable choices, and simplify your consumption habits to create a better buying experience for yourself and others. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's keep this conversation going and build a more aware, balanced, and informed community. Catch you in the next one.